Hit it. Hi. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Nakakatawa. Sabi nila, oh, ang gwapo mo pala sa personal. Ang pangit ko ba sa TV? Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At magbibigay po tayo ng update kay Sofronio Vazquez dahil ilang araw na po tayong hindi nakapagbigay ng impormasyon sa mga ganap at mga activities ni Sofronio. At ito yung ating pag-uusapan dahil nakauwi na po siya sa Amerika base dito sa kanyang post nitong mga nakarang araw. At the same time, nag-perform rin po siya dito sa Orlando, Florida kasama ang sina Kyle Echari at si David Pomeranz para sa TFC Kapamilya. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At update po sa mga whereabouts at mga activities ni Sofronio. So, nakauwi na po siya mula dito sa Pilipinas nung umawit siya ng lupang hinirang dito sa SONA or State of the Nation address ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. And dito po siya nag-perform nung August 2, 2 araw ang nakakalipas ay nag-perform siya dito sa Orlando, Florida para sa Kapamilya Fiesta na si David Pomeranz at si Kyle Echari. Samantala sa mga susunod na araw ay magkakaroon rin po siya next week ng performance dito sa isang orchestra. So atin po yung abangan mga kapolitika. Samantala, todo na po ang promotion ngayon ni Sofronio para sa kanyang concert dito sa Pasadena sa California. And in fact ay napanood nga natin doon sa clip ng kanyang mga videos dito sa kanyang YouTube channel na nagbigay rin ng kanilang mga reaksyon at opinion itong review itong si Karen Davila at yung kasamahan pa niya dito na nag-attend ng kanyang concert sa Town Hall bilang promotional video or clip dito sa kanyang concert sa Pasadena, California dahil isa ito sa mga major concert ni Sofronio Vazquez. New York highlights. I am beyond grateful for everyone who came and supported me during my concerts in New York. It is surreal to think that I performed at the Town Hall, right in the Broadway district and at the heart of Times Square. This October, the producers of the New York shows will bring the concert to Los Angeles County at the Pasadena Civic Auditorium, the venue at America's Got Talent. This will be my last major concert in the USA for 2025 due to recording and other out-of-state and international performance commitments just for this year. I will be back again for concerts in 2026. I hope to see you all there. So yun po ang announcement ni Sofronio Vazquez dahil sa tingin natin mga kapolitika ay maging busy na si Sofronio dito sa kanyang mga recording album at dito rin sa mga international tour kasi hindi lang naman siya nakafocus dito sa US. So baka magkakaroon din po siya ng concert or live performance dito sa Pilipinas, and we hope for the best na sana is mangyari yung sinasabi nila na baka magkakaroon ng solo concert si Sofronio Vazquez dito sa Maynila. Okay, so yun po so far ang ating update kay Sofronio. Ano po ang inyong mag-reaction? So dito po ay panonoodin po natin yung ibang mga part na kung saan is nag-perform doon sa kanyang katatapos lang na live event dito sa Orlando, Florida kasama sina Kyle Echari at si David Pomeranz.
That was awesome. How do you say awesome? That one. What is it? Tingin? Tingin?
Magaling!
Magaling!
Magaling! Magaling kang kumanta!
Magaling! Oh my gosh. Alright, let's do one more. This is a wedding song.
Oh yun, yung mga kanta. Ito maganda
that
to.
I want to sing for all of you who are married or
Akala ko
gonna
air
get married
supplies.
or ever get married. And I wrote this for my wife, Kelly. I'm gonna sing this for you now. And
Ito yan, baka yan yung ano, on this
stay. I
This.
promise
Oh,
forever. Iba kaya yun.
Baka siguro yung kakanta niya. Always stay.
Should I play out there? It's better, right?
Yeah.
And this is my friend Johnny. Yes, Johnny. We tour together all the time. Hey, Johnny. Hello, everybody. He's a little shy.
Sino?
But this is also a good sing-along. Oh, wow, there's even a bouncy house here. Look. Everything going here. It's a bouncy castle.
He must be with Bella.
There we go. There's Johnny.
With Bella.
That's not the song. Play the song. Thank you much for having me.
Powerful performance sa kanyang kadenang Hindu, the senior high at sa Pamilya Sagrado. Every Sunday kasama rin natin siya sa impulsive, explosive, number sa ASAP natin to. Kapamilya, ready na ba kayo? Please welcome our multi-talented performer and a top tier Kapamilya leading man, Paul Johnny!
Kylie Cherry. After niya si ano sa front niya.
Okay, hindi pa yan. Okay, si Kyle yun eh. Okay, pretty, Bisaya yun, Otoy, pretty little baby. Diba? Okay, hindi yun si Kyle. Si Kyle yun, oy. Mga Bisaya man, sila mga Bisaya, mga Bisakol. Okay, once again, pakilala ko ulit. Are we ready for the music of Kyle? Siyempre, may mga technical problem. Once again, mga kaibigan, kapamilya, another cheers for Kyle H.
So we're going to sing this song for a while.
saw his global talent, heard it, I felt his passion, and we're all rooting for him.
I am Sofronio Vasquez's biggest fan. Sofronio!
It made me cry.
Fantastic show.
I was so incredibly inspired watching him on stage and just very moved with his music choices, the way he engaged with the audience, and just his stage presence. It's a fantastic show from start to finish. And I recommend anyone, anytime he goes on stage, to come and see him, because he's just a fantastic performer and a very moving, inspiring singer.
The show was superlative, outstanding, out of this world, because Sofronio sang from his heart. When he sings a song, he's almost singing to me, singing to each one. And at one time, I even had tears in my eyes.
There's no better way to build community, to pull not just Filipinos, but Filipino Americans and all of the Americans who were here together than this concert. The timing is perfect, because this is a time we need unity.